The ship? MSC Nicole. 3 weeks of 15,000 kilometers. Storms, heat, salt air. Beans must survive.
Germany first, then France. By 1970, every European breakfast table had a jar. But to feed the world, you need a monster.
Every 48 hours, workers turn them. Heat build.
Sun drying for 5 to 7 days. Moisture drops from 60% to 7%.
140 degrees Celsius. 30 minutes. Shells crack. Rapid cooling. Beta crystals form. These give spreadable texture. Nutella begins. Nitrogen pushes out oxygen. Freshness locked for 18 months. 80 kilos per pallet. 30 pallets per truck. Each truck carries 25,000 jars.
Every morning, 34 million families open one jar. Today, hundreds of thousands of tons are produced every year. A jar is opened somewhere in the world every few seconds. But to feed the world, you need a monster. This is where 100,000 tons of cocoa become magic. Germany first, then France. By 1970, every European breakfast table had a jar. But this monster starts with something tiny.
4 million small farmers, each caring for 2 to 3 hectares. A patient fruit. Harvest is twice yearly. Inside each pod, 30 to 40 beans, covered in sweet white pulp.
Fresh beans have no chocolate flavor yet. Zero.
Fermentation, 5 to 7 days. The most critical step.
Every 48 hours, workers turn them. Heat builds. 50 degrees Celsius inside.
Only perfect beans travel. Ferrero rejects 15% at this stage.
Sun drying for 5 to 7 days. Moisture drops from 60% to 7%.
This warehouse holds 5,000 tons, 200 kilometers to Abidjan port.
Eight hours, dangerous roads.
Abidjan, 1.5 million tons cocoa export yearly. 20 tons per container. Sealed and tagged. Every bean tracked. The ship? MSC Nicole. 3 weeks across the Atlantic. 15,000 kilometers. Storms, heat, salt air. Beans must survive. Rotterdam, Europe's largest port. First European soil for the beans. Even it rain, the clock doesn't stop. Ferrero's factories are waiting. Rotterdam, Europe's largest port. First European soil for the beans. Train to Alba, Italy. 12,100 kilometers through Alps.
15,000 tons rejected annually. Ferrero burns them for energy.
Step 1. Remove everything that isn't bean. Metal fragments from harvest tools. Magnets catch what eyes miss. Each batch precisely 5,000 kilograms. Computer controlled.
Same bean, same factory, different universe. Let me show you how.
140 degrees Celsius, 30 minutes. Shells crack, color deepens.
Heat unlocks 600 aromatic compounds.
Experience matters. Machines measure. Humans decide. Rapid cooling stops roasting instantly. Precision within 2 degrees.
From fire to air, the dance continues. Winnowing. Shells become garden mulch. Nibs become Nutella. Specific weight separation. Physics as quality control.
Now it's 100% cocoa. No shell, no tai chi, pure potential.
Granite stones from France. Each weighs 2 tons. They've ground for 20 years. Cocoa liquor. 55% cocoa butter. This is chocolate in its rawest form. Too hot, crystals break. Too cold, won't flow. Always 40 degrees Celsius. 20,000 liters per tank. Waiting for its partner. 20,000 liters per tank. Waiting for its partner.
130 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes. Different from cocoa, sweeter roasting.
130 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes. Different from cocoa, sweeter roasting.
Hazelnuts are 60% oil. That oil becomes Nutella's soul. Bitter skins removed. Only sweet kernel remains. Cooled to 25 degrees Celsius. Now it's ready to marry chocolate.
Conching. Ferrero's secret weapon. 12 hours of movement.
Conching. Ferrero's secret weapon. 12 hours of movement.
Bitterness evaporates. Smoothness emerges.
Cocoa meets hazelnut. Nutella begins. Lecithin binds oil and water.
Refining. Particle size from 100 microns to 15 microns.
15 microns. Human tongue can't feel smaller. That's the goal. Behind the magic. Screens, sensors, and sleepless eyes.
Batch number 24115 rejected.
If particle size off by 2 microns, entire 10-ton batch rejected.
Rapid cooling. Beta crystals form. These give spreadable texture.
Every batch tasted by 5 humans. Machines can't measure emotion. 80 tons in this tank. Enough for 160,000 jars.
Every jar sterilized at 200 degrees Celsius for 4 seconds.
Every jar aligned by hand.
$350 grams in 1.2 seconds. Nitrogen pushes out oxygen. Freshness locked for 18 months. The pop means sealed. No pop means reject. That code traces this jar to the specific cocoa truck. That code traces this jar to the specific cocoa truck. One jar per 1,000 rejected. Ferrero donates them to food banks.
Metal fragments from machines. Detector finds particles 0.5 mil.
80 kilos per pallet. 30 pallets per truck. Night shift. 300 workers. 24 hours. The factory never sleeps.
Every hour, 10 random jars tested. Viscosity, taste, color, crystals.
48 hours rest. Crystals stabilize. Texture finalizes. Each truck carries 25,000 jars.
Someone chooses it.
From Ivory Coast to your kitchen.
Heat unlocks aroma.
This is why it began.
Every culture finds its way. Nutella adapts. Breakfast unites. Tomorrow, it begins again.
This video is created for educational and informational purposes using advanced AI tools and human activities. All concepts, scripting, and storytelling are independently developed to ensure originally visuals and animations are generated or enhanced using AI technologies such as VO3, Meta AI, and Rock AI. While final editing and post-production are completed using Cupcut and other professional editing tools. Next, external criteria content has been copied or reused. Any reassembled to real-world environments, factories, or process is purely coincidental. All scenes shown in this video are digitally created and do not represent real footage. This content is produced with transparency and follows YouTube monetization guidelines.